Good morning, you guys. Remodeling a house is so much work. It's insane. I knew it was gonna be a lot of work, but I didn't know it was gonna take like this long, I guess. Just because like we've remodeled a house before, like our old house, but we did a lot of it on our own and kind of like slowly because we were just remodeling to sell it. But this house, we were trying to remodel it before we moved in. So we hired out a lot of jobs, and basically a lot of people said that things were gonna get done a lot faster than they are actually getting done. But we can't do most of our jobs like painting and cleaning and unboxing or unpacking and putting up furniture, putting together furniture, all that kind of stuff. We can't really do it until the like structure is done, like the floors, the walls, the ceilings, all of that, if that makes sense. Sorry, the lighting, the sun is rising as I speak. So yeah, basically that's where we're at. But today I think we're gonna be able to get some stuff done. One of the guys are coming today to finish up a lot of like little jobs that he hasn't finished so far. And so once he does that, I think we're gonna be able to like fix most rooms and like get everything done. So I'm crossing my fingers. I'm super thirsty, so I need to go get some water and coffee because I'm dying right now, and then we shall see what happens next. Bethany, what are you doing? Filming. Oh. Okay. It's been a couple of hours. I've gotten a full thing of coffee in me. Look at my hair in the bag. Woo! Audrey and I's job is to clean the kitchen because there's no other room in the house that's even remotely done to where we can clean. I don't even know what to do. Audrey's into using the slow cooker, and so she's putting some like beans and lentils in there to like let them sit and soften because they're like, what is it called? Not canned, they're like dried beans. That's what the terminology is, I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna clean up the kitchen. We have a couple of boxes to unpack in here, and we're going to organize the pantry area, and Audrey's also cooking. And my mom is painting her bedroom ceiling because it's done being textured. The construction guy said he was going to be here at 9 a.m. and it is almost 11 o'clock and he's still not here, so that's fantastic. Like, it's frustrating, but also it's like not the worst problem in the world, but also like, do your job, people. Anyways, that's the lowdown. Now I'm just going to probably do a little montage. Oh, I should look at comments and see what you guys... Oh no, I didn't, okay, I had like an hour of footage in yesterday's vlog. I edited it, that's why I was up late, because it was so... I had like 2 hours of raw footage and then I cut it down to like 40 minutes, but then I was like, I should just make this 2 vlogs and like make them 15 to 20 minutes each instead of making one long crazy vlog. So I asked you in the last one. Anyways, this doesn't matter. Never mind, nothing. I don't know what to even do. I'm tripping. Tripping! Can you move, please? No, are you gonna do this and I'll start undoing this?
No, I actually have to help Dad get the lights, so I'm just here temporarily.
You're ditching me? Seriously?
Yeah. Here, I'll hand you baking stuff. How about that?
You're rude. Look at Mom. You look like a crazy lady.
I am a crazy lady.
Look.
Absolutely. Here.
I didn't know it was on. Oh, man. I think you wore this backwards when you were dyeing your hair because there's like no dye in the front. We're back here.
Oh my actual land.
Look at this hair.
Get out of the camera.
Isn't it just a harsh reality when you see yourself on camera?
I got that on camera.
Audrey, come here.
I literally got that on camera.
Audrey, come here. Audrey, hold that for me.
I like don't look like myself today. So you think I look different? Okay, so my mom, well, look how much more tan you are than me, holy cow. It's a couple hours later and I'm about to start some laundry, but my mom has a new washer and dryer, so she's gonna show me how to do the laundry. She's very specific with her laundry. She never lets me do it. This is my literal first time in 22 years, my first time to do our family laundry because she's so weird about it. I did my own laundry living in New York, but
And in Portland.
but I have never done any laundry, not even one single load of laundry at the Easterling household. Not one. That's insane.
Now you know where you get your controlling spirit.
Yeah, I am so controlling because of her. Okay, help me.
Oh, it's fine. Yes.
Oh my heck.
So how full do you get it?
Well, I never do this many blankets at one time.
This is a big one. Is it too stuffed?
I think this is it.
But I'm saying, is it too stuffed?
No.
I think that's good because there's still a little bit of room there. I don't think you've ever used a fancy dancy.
I haven't. I've only ever used
In New York,
freaking.
they're the old kind.
Yeah.
Okay, power.
That's why I'm like, this is foreign to me.
And then you look at it.
Warm, low, normal.
I wonder why it's on low spin. Let's go medium. Yeah. So then you push start. And then you open this up, and this is where you put the...
You start it before?
I do.
How can that you even do that?
Easy. Okay.
I don't think you do laundry right.
And it's ready. See how easy that was? You just basically have to pick out the right...
It's like a freaking iPhone. Do 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 do. My fried off baby hair is just flying to the sides. Like, can you not just lay down for me? Audrey, come here.
What?
Come here.
Why?
Please. Please. Come here. I found something that one of my friends gave me in New York. And I want to see it on you. I look like Madame Zeroni. That's so cute. How do you not think that that's cute? Can I try it on you?
Yeah. Well, my hair's loud.
Okay, well, it's okay. You're gonna put it on my head like crazy, aren't you? No! You're gonna suffocate me.
I'm not. How do you do this? Not like this.
It's like a diaper. Don't, Audrey, don't hurt me. Don't shove it over my head, Audrey. I already know. You're going to. I already know it.
Lauren.
Bye!
Why is she the worst?
She's such a brat! I want snot on my face. Okay, so we're gonna move this over here and then we're gonna put the mirror on it over there. Because that's where it's gonna be. And it'll be way heavier with the mirror and it'll be wobbly.
Yeah. How are we gonna move this because we can't scoot it?
I know, we're gonna
lift it.
You and Audrey on one side, me on the other. Up. You got it? If you drop
the mirror,
and we're swiveling.
Hold on, sit. Go down, go down.
No!
Yeah, because this is in the way, and she's about to knock over the mirror.
You're going this way, and we're going that way, okay?
1, 2, 3.
Up. I'm about to truck her down, down, down. Okay. I can literally feel a vein in my arm ripping. That's what you get for trying to show off. No, I'm not showing off. I'm proving to you.
I'm confident.
How fitting. Okay, we totally zoom, but how cute is this color scheme already? I'm loving it.
Lust.
I was about to go the wrong way. I couldn't be an actress.
Somebody get that sign.
My actress.
Somebody get that sign. I'm gonna be one of those teachers that does this.
Oh my gosh.
So, when they're like, clap if you can hear me.
I know.
Clap twice if you can hear me.
And everybody's like, ah! Relax. Jump to it.
Hey.
My baby girl loves me. Come here.
Okay. I really am trying to figure this
Okay,
out.
if you hit my freaking dresser, I'll kill you.
Hey, somebody want to help me?
I don't know how to do it.
I don't either. This is the issue.
Nah.
Ain't talk about us.
I was trying to do it, but I couldn't get it. That one's already done.
I'm falling.
So maybe we should have put this in first and then the mirror. Because now we're gonna have to go like all the way up and snake it in. Can we do that?
It's gonna hit the roof.
No, I don't think so.
And we can't lift it up. Can y'all?
It's gonna fall forward.
Yeah.
We can get step stools.
Are you too far away, Bethany?
Okay, you got it?
I'm definitely too far away.
Okay.
Okay, Mom, you're gonna bend the mirror. It's on the ceiling.
Oh, man.
Mine goes in.
Hold on.
Hold on.
We can't get this one in.
Why not? Because Bethany's too short. No, because of the ceiling. Audrey, hold on, lift up.
Can it lift a little bit? Yeah, we can do
Lift
that.
up, Mom. No, go up. You can go up really far, Beth.
Okay, look.
Hold on.
Okay, I got it.
Audrey.
Okay, there. Just don't scrub. Okay. Okay, there we go.
Okay, I'm throwing my coat on. We're gonna go outside to the garage and grab our mattresses. We've sort of cleaned up in the bedrooms, but I don't know why exactly we're grabbing our mattresses right now. She's out in the garage. However, I thought I would film
You
it.
with Mom, Audrey, when she bought this?
This is Bethany, Dad.
Well, were you with Mom when she bought this?
Yes.
Okay, here, let me show you what I'm missing.
Okay. Bethany's gonna be an idiot and come out the door.
You're gonna mess up my wall.
No, I'm just gonna jump.
You're alright.
Idiot.
Listen, I have some skills, Claudia.
Girls, do you think she can do it?
I might need help, Audrey.
Do you think so? No.
Set it on the ground, point it up your mini drill.
I'll show you. You'll have me at the bar.
Oh my god, where are you skinny and tall? You're not my knee up that high. Okay. Ah! Ah! No, you really hurt me.
Ow!
You're so dramatic. Oh my gosh.
Literally, that's
Ow!
oh my god.
That hurt.
It was an accident, clearly. Oh, it wasn't because you're on the ground.
That wasn't good enough. I didn't scream. Ah, you gotta have to do it again.
You should have seen your face.
I'm pretty sure it was like it. I felt like I was about to sneeze. I was going to let my dog in. I was like, oh, Marcy needs in.
We got the mail is literally all on the ground. Whoa, why is this? Podge?
What?
This is filming in a square.
We put our first chandelier up in the house. My dad did it. Who's not an electrician. So let's see if it turns on. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Boom! Oh, I thought it didn't work for a second because you waited.
Need all the same light bulbs, but yeah. These are working.
It's so pretty.
In bulbs.
Right.
Because
It doesn't look like it's in our house, does it?
oh wow.
That looks gorgeous,
you like
right?
it? Yeah, it does. It really does. Especially once we get that part painted.
Yeah.
Not good enough.
I didn't even get it on film. I couldn't record fast enough.
Sometimes I just don't understand myself.
Where you hide it lopsided, like keep going.
Got it.
It didn't shatter.
Oh, no.
Wait, let me turn. Ah! Why did you just drop it?
Audrey, quit letting go, you freaking idiot. Why are you doing that? You're making it harder. Hey. Where? Audrey. Audrey, turn off my camera.
Wow, the white walls look so good. Can I just show you?
Okay.
So what do I do?
Like, look how bright and good
We've got
it
other
looks.
slats.
And the lighting in here.
Correct.
Okay, so I'm about to hop in the shower. I'm gonna wash this mess of hair. And we're pretty much done for the day. I'm gonna keep like cleaning and stuff, but I thought I would update you guys on what my room looks like before I hop in the shower and I come out looking even more ratchet than right now. So we have my body mirror in here finally. That's obviously not gonna go there, but I have to paint this little patch right here in the morning, and then I'm gonna put my body mirror up there. All of this needs to be like cleaned and reorganized. We have my dresser in here with the vanity on top of it, so that's nice. We finally like got that put together. That needs to be cleaned still and all organized. And then here is my bedside table, which also needs to be cleaned and organized. And then we also have my rug. You might recognize this from our apartment. It was in the living room, but it's like the perfect size for my bedroom, so I'm excited about it.